This is your News Minute for Friday, September 1st. Hello, I'm Christina, Chief Communications Officer for the Poway Unified School District. Poway High was loud and proud on the Friday morning Alarm Clock Pep Rally. Students showed off their school spirit as well as various sports teams and clubs, everything that makes PHS unique and full of Titan pride. The Titan ambassadors were also at Midland Elementary School for the Rattlers Rock Assembly, their first Friday flag of the school year. As a No Excuses university, each class is affiliated with a college, and students practice their college chants to get excited for the year. And Painted Rock Elementary's own Christina was named as one of San Diego County's Teachers of the Year in the Salute to Teachers ceremony last weekend. She'll go on to represent San Diego in the statewide Teacher of the Year competition. Keep the magic going, Poway Unified. Monday's a holiday. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Thanks for watching.